Hello, dear students. Welcome to What, Why, How, the Prelims edition, which is a daily initiative by IAS Baba, where we discuss topics that are relevant to Prelims 2025 in less than 10 minutes. The topic that I've chosen for today first is the cancer vaccine that is being popularized by Russia right now. Russia hopes to give free cancer vaccines that are based on your mRNA platform to the entire world. Now, there are so many preclinical trials happening. So, we need to know what exactly this vaccine is about. First of all, this particular vaccine has shown that it can suppress the tumor development and potential metastasis. That means even further cancer relapses can be prevented. Unlike your normal vaccines, which are taken for prevention, here what is happening is patients who already have cancer are given this particular vaccine so that whatever cancer is there in their body, that particular cancer cells can be targeted. Now, this works on a platform called as your mRNA platform. So, what happens in mRNA platform is whenever you have, in the normal case, in the case of COVID, we have heard about this mRNA vaccine, where what happens is, for example, when you take a virus, in the virus, there would be a particular feature of the virus that feature would be related to the genetic material that is there in the virus. What do you try to do is you understand what part of the genetic material of the virus can be created artificially, and that particular part, which in this case is a messenger RNA, that part is created, put into a vaccine format, and then injected into the human body. Once injected into the human body, what happens is it trains our human cells to produce particular kind of your antigens related to that particular virus so that our body can train itself by fighting against these antigens. This is what happens in a normal mRNA vaccine. Now, in this particular case, the exact same thing is done. What they do is the mRNA vaccines function by delivering specific genetic instructions that enable the body's cells to produce a specific cancer protein known as an antigen. Once it is created in this manner, the only thing the body has to do is the immune system of our body just has to find that particular cell that is having that antigen, and that particular cell which is having that antigen is your cancer cell. So this will get cleaned in this manner. This process actually trains the immune system to recognize and create antibodies against the protein. Besides, unlike your COVID mRNA vaccines, here you can create vaccines as per the need of the patient, specifically related to what kind of cancer occurs in the patient. So this is a very customized, extremely sophisticated kind of a vaccine that is there. Now, to add to it, Russia still has not given out all the information regarding this. It is not the first time that a country has been trialing certain cancer vaccines. In US, in UK, in all of these countries, there are current trials that are undergoing for cancer vaccines. The next topic that we have to talk about is the Taiwan Strait. The Taiwan ministry has said that the Taiwan Strait does not belong to China. Now we have to understand where exactly is the Taiwan Strait. So as you know over here, Taiwan is this pink color portion. China is over here. Between China and Taiwan, you have an area called as your Taiwan Strait. The Taiwan Strait is otherwise also called as your Formosa Strait, and it separates the island of Taiwan and your continental Asia. Also understand this is a very critical corridor that is connecting the South China Sea, which is over here, with your East China Sea. So this is actually even a trade corridor that is there in this particular area. I hope both the issues that we talked about have been decluttered for you. Until we meet again, take care and happy learning.